my god, that slide was like really hard to like walk up, but it was actually nice. I think I got all the soap off me. Yeah, I'm good. Anyway, yeah, let's enjoy this pool party and woo, let's do this. That's us. But yeah, there's slip and slide. And there's a dead lanternfly. Yay, kill them all. I'm going in the pool.
Alright, let's have the competition.
Oh yeah, it feels really nice.
Woo! Woo-hoo! Ooga shaka, ooga shaka, ooga.
I did it. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be so fun. Doggos! We didn't start the fire. No.
I like this.
Dust go up.
Doritos make really good fire starters, apparently.
Good to remember.
They're like $8.
I've roasted the marshmallows. Now we need to make our s'mores. Alright, this is cookies and cream Hershey's chocolate with marshmallows and graham cracker, aka cookies and cream s'mores. Let's try it. It's really good. Very good. We just heard a scream or something. Well, not a scream. Like. Wait, that sounds really scary. I don't know why I did that. Oh, it's smoky out here.
That sometimes when it's late at night they do hear strange noises in certain parts of it. In 2013, however, something happened.
I don't know whether to
This
believe
footage was
that
taken
girl.
from a security camera within
Oh,
the
this is
restaurant, and it
2013.
shows a woman finishing her meal and walking away. What happens next can...
Oh, it gets even more spooky.
Whole table full.
It's so spoopy.
What?
Oh, the napkin fell down.
The table just. Oh yeah, the table explodes. See that would scared me.
Oh my god!
Good morning, guys. Last night I had my friends over. Alright guys, yes, that was the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alex, signing off.